Hello and welcome to this Infilink video tutorial. In this video, we are going to check out two wizard objects. You will notice that Infilink provides large number of wizard objects which provide great functionality. These wizards are very easy to use and provide cool-looking user interface quickly. Many SCADA or HMI applications use angular gauges to show process data on HMI screens. Creating these angular gauges using preliminary graphics tools is possible but very time-consuming. You will save a lot of time by using these cool-looking gauge wizards. This wizard is a simple angular gauge. This another one is much complex wizard but provides lot of flexibility and features to realize great looking gauge. To begin with, let us use this simple angular gauge wizard and quickly put it to work. We are now back in design mode. The gauge wizard provides lot of settings to configure its look and feel. It also provides some pre-configured settings, and I am now going to quickly show those to you. To get to those pre-configured gauges, just right-click on the gauge object and select Menu Item. Select Angular Gauge from the pop-up menu. You can select any one of these pre-configured gauge settings and apply to the object. In addition to using these pre-configured settings, you can also tweak individual settings and get the look and feel and functionality as required by you. In the next section, we will look at those settings. In this section we will examine how the arc and hub elements of the gauge are adjusted to get required look and feel. We will also understand about start angle and angle range of the arc. but first let me get rid of the ticks to simplify the process. Let us now change some hub properties and see the effect. We are using center hub position currently. We will check out other hub positions at the end of this video. Let us now check out various settings for ticks and see their effect. Let us now check out different label options, like their position, fonts, font sizes and so on. On this tab, we are going to set the properties of gauge pointer. We set pointer properties like its type, color, size, transparency and so on. We also choose the tag whose value is to be shown by this gauge. You can also use an arithmetic expression instead of tag. The wizard will calculate the value of that expression and the gauge will display the resultant value of the expression. Typically we see that angular gauges show good operating range with green color. That type of look and feel, you can achieve by applying these color ranges. That is demonstrated here. Up till now, we've seen gauges where gauge center point was at the object's center. You can also place the gauge center point at top left, top right, or bottom right corner of the object. We will see those 4 gauges now. Along with placing gauge center at corners, you can also choose user-defined offset for the gauge center. Center offset values come into effect only when user-defined offset is chosen. Notice also the start angle and angle range values for these kind of gauges. We have covered a lot of information about this gauge wizard. You should be able to effectively use this gauge now. I wanted to show another more powerful and flexible gauge object in this video, but the length of this video has already become about 20 minutes. So we will cover that super gauge wizard in part 2 of this video. If you have any comments or suggestions about the videos or the wizard's features in Infilink, please feel free to write them in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.